Hey kitties, welcome to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. Like, yeah, I know, you should have subscribed a long time ago. Go ahead and subscribe now. Okay guys, so I do have on a robe right now. Okay, when I did my makeup for this video and I was getting ready and I was gonna put something on. I was like, the kitties can get the robe, it's really not a big deal. And the robe looks, you know, it looks nice anyways because it's white and it's satin. I was like, you know, I hope y'all don't mind, but I still have my robe on because I was like, they're not gonna see anything. So yeah, we have a brow video today. This is going to be like a first impressions, a demo, a review, kind of, you know, all in one. I did pick up the new Anastasia Beverly Hills brow product, which is it's called Brow Freeze, I think. Yeah, Brow Freeze Styling Wax. So this is it here. And if you know me, I don't spend money on brows. Like, I really don't. Because I just figure, like, for what? For what? But this product looked interesting and I want to try it. One of my friends on Instagram, Sasha, tried it and I really liked the way it looked on her. And she helped me find this because this was sold out in every store. And she's like, check Macy's, check Macy's. Macy's had it and the shipping was free. So now my hands are on it and I can try it for you guys so we can see, you know, what this thing be about. What it be about. Because $20-something to me for a brow product is expensive. But this is coming from someone that doesn't spend money on brow products for whatever reason. Like, I just buy a nice $6 pencil, fill in the sparse areas, do my concealer trick, and I am good. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci. But I want to do this review, so let's get right into it. What's up? I did move in a little closer because of course you guys are gonna need to see my brows and see me apply it and see the texture of everything, so I'm in a little close and I hope you don't mind. So this is the box it comes in. I thought it was gonna be bigger because I paid $20-something for it, but it's fine. This is it. This is probably gonna last forever. So let me open that up and you can see what it's about. It's in a really cute little rose gold sort of package. This is it. So let me open that up for you so you can see it. It just smells like gel. It doesn't really have much of a smell. So this is it here. It's clear, you can see. So I've never used something like this before, so bear with me. Bear with me. I know you're supposed to use like a spoolie, so I'm gonna just use my brow pencil and use the spoolie end of it. This is my brow pencil that I'm loving right now, which is the LA Girl Shady Slim or Slim Shady. I think it's called Shady Slim. So this is it. So maybe I should brush my hairs out first before I go to apply it. Okay. So that looks fine. So now I'm just gonna, I guess, from what I've seen on videos, it's supposed to kind of like just go in the wax. Oh my gosh, that feels like it's a lot. Okay, so I picked some up on the brush, and let's just see. Matter of fact, let me wipe a little bit on my hand because I'm feeling like that's too much, but we gonna see. So let's start with this brow. I'm just taking some off of my hand, the extra. Okay, so this is, I like that bushy look. Do you guys, I like that look. I like that bushy look. So I'm gonna do it like that. Let me just kind of do this a little bit. Just to kind of, you know. How does that looks good to me. What y'all saying? Look at this brow and then look at this brow. I like it. All right, so let's move on to the next one. That feels like it's not gonna go anywhere. It doesn't feel tight or flaky or anything. It just feels secure, you know? So let's do the next one. I don't know, this looks cute. Like, I feel like I don't even want to do the concealer thing, but I don't know. Maybe I might fill it in a little bit just to see, you know, just to give you different angles of this product. So Now let's do this eye. Let me scoop a little bit out. This literally feels like edge control. I ain't even gonna hold you. It's edge control. But we'll see. Wait, hold on. I think it looks a little different from this one. I think I brushed it more up. Oh, this is nice. I like this. And then we just smooth it out across the top. What y'all think? So now I'm gonna like give it a second to get a little bit more dry, I guess. I don't know, give it like a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna fill in little sparse areas and then kind of like clean it up and make it sharp, and then we'll see how it goes. But I don't know, I like the way this looks so far. I'm excited. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna attempt to kind of like fill in certain areas. Hopefully the pencil works over this. Good. I don't know if my pencil's gonna work over this product, if it's gonna work well with it. We'll see. We'll see. All right, so maybe I should go grab a mirror. Okay, so I have my mirror. So I'm just gonna look at it a little closer and try to fill in little sparse areas that I normally fill in, and we'll see. I'll just do my normal brow routine and kind of see how it goes. I'm wondering if I should have did this first or not. I think I've seen them do the gel first, then they fill it in. So let us see what's going on, okay? So I'm just gonna go here and just kind of like draw a little line. It works fine over it. My brows look good. To the next side. It works over it fine. Wow, I like this. Hold on. I really like this. So pretty. So now I'm going to grab concealer. I really don't need a concealer, but I do want to just do my normal routine. I'm going to do just a tiny bit of concealer here just to kind of clean it up and make it look really clean, and then we'll, you know, see how it works. But so far so good. So far so good, okay? I'm impressed so far. So I grab my concealer, y'all. I'm going to use my my NYX Born to Glow concealer. This is a very light coverage concealer. It's not thick at all. It's the color is called Warm Caramel, or Warm Caramel. I don't know how you say it, but I'm going to use that in a small brush and just kind of clean up the bottom of my brows. I'm not going to go on the top part of it because my makeup is pretty much done already, so I don't really need to clean the top like that anyways. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my little brush here. I'm gonna do our brows. So this is my this can probably be a brow routine video / review of this product, because this is what I normally do to my brows, but just adding the step with the brow freeze. So let me just move in a little closer so y'all can see. So normally I do this without lashes, but my makeup was already done, so just go here. I'm just gonna trace this here. Ooh, that looks so pretty. It really just took it up a notch, right? Use my fingers and kind of just pat it. Okay, so look at this brow. Look at this side of my face. Look how my face just, this eye area just, my eyes are slanted anyway, but I know it just, you know, gave it a nice angle, a nice clean, like if it had a sound effect, that would be it. So look at that eye, look at that one. Both still look good. This one just looks cleaner. So I'm gonna move on to the next one. Let me grab some more concealer. Y'all, I'm loving this product. You know, I've been cheap all this time when it comes to brow products, because I'm like, I'm not spending no money on no brows like that. But I spent this money, and that container is small, but I can tell it's gonna last forever because you're not putting that much of it on. So let's move on to the next one. What an easy brow routine. This is an easy brow routine. So I'm gonna title this review / brow routine. I don't know, y'all see. I don't know. So again, we're just gonna go here. I do a light tracing underneath, light. I don't change the shape of my brows. I just kind of like follow the natural shape of it and just clean it up. I've never done my brows after I've done my makeup though. First time. But this is nice. Normally, if my makeup wasn't done, I would be dragging the concealer down to my eyelid because I use concealer as like a primer for eyeshadows and stuff. So yeah, so this looks the fuck good. I'm not even gonna lie. It's the brows. How did it look, y'all? It's the brows for me. It's the brows. Look at this. Look closer. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys. So, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and say I'm in love with this. I am very in love with this product. I love, it gives my brows that microblade look. Do you know what I mean? That super neat, perfect strokes. Like, it looks really, really nice. I love this product. So this is actually what you just watched was my new brow routine, because ma'am, look at my eyebrows. They look fantastic. I look fantastic. It's just like a great topper to any sort of look when your eyebrows are very structured. And this is just, I don't know, I'm like mind blown and how much I like it, because at first I was like, girl, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna be like, I mean, I could have saved them $20. I could have did this anyways with something else, you know, something cheaper. But no, ma'am. No. So needless to say, I'm giving this product a 10 out of 10 in all categories. It feels great. It doesn't have a scent. It's not sticky. It's not flaky. It's not crunchy. It's a soft, flexible hold, and it looks good, and it worked well with my brow pencil. So what's not to like? What's not to like? I actually love it. I'm so happy that I purchased it, because like I said, that is not going to finish for quite some time. And brows are very important. Okay, brows are super important. So I definitely love this. I love the look. It goes to my, I just look good, girl. And in case you're wondering what lip I have on Sugar Scoop Beauty, which is my brand. You guys already know. Handmade glosses by me. This is called Flirt. I have it here in case you're wondering. So this is a really pretty spring gloss to me. This is a really pretty spring color, actually. We do have some spring colors coming out in a few days. I'm not sure when you're going to see this video, but in a few days, a couple days, you'll see the new spring collection. So it's like peachy pinks, and you'll see. But that's what I have on, and you know, I don't know what else to say about this other than I loved it. I love it. I feel cute, like I need to be going somewhere, but I ain't going nowhere though. I mean, maybe I should take some pictures because I just look good. So I'm gonna take some pictures. But as far as the review goes, I give it a 10 out of 10. Definitely, if you guys are interested in purchasing it and you're wondering how it works, you get to go for me. So if that means anything to you, you get to go for me. Definitely go ahead and pick it up, and you will love it. It made my brow routine, I feel like, shorter, quicker, easier, and everything, because you saw, it was easy. It was really easy. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. If you have any questions, leave me the questions in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, because that is pretty damn important. I am trying to grow our kitty community. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe and send it to your friend and tell her to subscribe too, him or her. All right, don't forget to come back. because that's another thing that's pretty important. You got to come back. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.